Determine if the function f of x equals x times the cubed root of x cubed minus 2x has symmetry about the y-axis, also known as even symmetry, or symmetry about the origin, also known as odd symmetry, or neither. F of x equals x times the cubed root of x cubed minus 2x is made up of a odd power term multiplied by a cubed root of odd power term subtracted with another odd power term. Odd power terms subtracting each other will give odd symmetry. The cubed root of odd symmetry will be odd symmetry, times a odd power, the x on the outside of the cubed root. Odd times odd will be even. This is expected to have y-axis even symmetry. What we are going to do is calculate f of negative x. If we find f of negative x to be exactly equal to f of x, this will have y-axis even symmetry. If we find f of negative x to be exactly equal to the negative of f of x, this will have origin odd symmetry, and if we find neither to be the case, it will have neither symmetry. F of negative x means to plug in negative x in for each of the x's, which will give negative x times the cubed root of negative x cubed minus 2 times negative x. Which is a negative x times the cubed root of negative cubed is negative, and then x cubed. A negative 2 times a negative x is a positive 2x. Comparing this to the original, outside the cubed root we have an opposite sign, negative x instead of x. Inside the cubed root, each term is again opposite sign, negative x cubed and positive 2x compared to the original function. We can therefore factor a negative out inside the cubed root. Leaving a positive x cubed and a negative 2x. A cubed root of a negative is a negative, so the negative will move outside of the cubed root. And a negative times a negative is a positive, giving a positive x times the cubed root of x cubed minus 2x. Comparing this to the original, it is exactly the same as the original. All the signs match. Therefore, f of negative x equals exactly f of x, which is the condition needed to have y-axis even symmetry.